Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your character on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. Now, while you are playing the Cyberpunk 2077 game, if you wish to change the appearance of your character, and you will need to be within your home base. Now, within your room, you are likely to see a mirror within your bathroom. Now, just approach the mirror and tap on the F button, and you will now be able to see your character on your mirror. In order to change the appearance, just use the mouse scroll wheel to highlight change appearance and tap on the F button. From here now, you will be able to choose various different details about your character. You can change your hairstyle, color, the eyes, eyebrows, and basically every single little details. Now, since there's a lot of parameters that you can change for your character, just customize based on whatever you wish. And then you can tap on the F button within your keyboard to confirm your decision. And now, the changes to your appearance that you have selected will be applied to your character right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your appearance within the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.